Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cinder's Dream. I'm Ariel, and if you want to see how I revamp this wig, stay tuned. Hey you all, welcome back. So I'm here with my synthetic wig, and I just want to give her a little bit of TLC. I've had her for about a year, and I want to just start wearing her again. So I am running cool water on this wig, and I'm adding some shampoo and making sure I take out any impurities that are left in the hair. I'm also going to add a half a cup of baking soda and also half a cup of vinegar. So I'm doing all of this before I add in the fabric softener, because I really want the fabric softener to do its thing. So when you're dealing with synthetic hair, you know, it's like dealing with clothes. And because of the fibers and everything and what the synthetic hair is made of, so you want to, you know, take care of it like, you know, your clothes. So here I'm just making sure I rinse out everything before I add in the fabric softener. And I do have some water boiling, which I'm going to add. And after I add in everything, I'm going to add in the fabric softener. And then I'm just gonna let the hair sit. So the heat is doing its thing, the fabric softener is doing its thing, and you guys just keep watching and see how the results will turn out. So I am gonna leave this in for about 45 minutes. Just let it sit. So here, as you can see, the hair is all rinsed out, and I am combing it out. I did use a light conditioner spray, and now I'm just gonna let it air dry. I did add the clips just to make sure that nothing was tangling up, and just allowing it to just air dry. I didn't want to put too much heat on it and, you know, mess anything up, so I'm just letting it air dry. And let's see how it looks after it air dries. Also, I was really surprised about the shedding. It did not shed that much. Hey you guys, so as you can see, I have my headband synthetic wig on. I haven't done my edges or anything, but I just wanted to show y'all. You guys, I was scared at first because I thought that I ruined the wig and it was not giving. But what I did was I was like, let me just flat iron it and see, you know, the texture and everything. So I got my flat iron and I put the temperature on 250, okay, for fine hair. I didn't want to put it on anything higher than that because I didn't want to ruin the hair. But you guys, when I started flat ironing this hair, look, as y'all can see, look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Let me do another section so you guys can see. Okay, see, this is how it was. This is how it was looking, okay? I didn't get, you know, matted and stuff like that, so I was a little bit scared. So what I did was, of course, you want to comb it from the end and start working your way up. And mind you, I usually use a hairbrush for this type of hair, but I cannot find my hairbrush for nothing. So after I washed the hair, of course I was using a wide tooth comb, and then I was like, let me just use my rat tail comb. So I combed it out a little bit, and like I said, take the flat iron, okay, and working my way down. And y'all, this is amazing. Let me get my angle right. So this hair really is good. And I am actually thinking about getting like a razor and kind of razoring some layers and stuff in the hair, and just to make it you know, a little bit more even and whatnot. So I'm gonna keep playing with this. I'm gonna flat iron the whole entire hair. And like you guys, you know, you see, like I said, I haven't done my edges or anything yet. I just wanted to show y'all what it's giving. I'm loving it. Y'all, this is what it looks like all flat ironed out. So y'all tell me what y'all think. I really like it. Like I said, I still want to razor it and trim it a little bit. But I do want to do my edges. Now, I'm not a professional. I do what I can. So I like to wet them a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm actually going to be using this 24-hour edge tamer from Ebin, New York. This is the Ultra Super Hold. And I have a little edge brush. Okay, I don't like this, whatever's going on right here. I don't like that, so let me try to fix it. Do y'all cut y'all edge hair to make it even? Is that what y'all do? Or maybe I was just pulling too much hair out. Okay, these are about the same length. So I ain't trying to be out here looking crazy, but yeah, I do like it though. Compared to what the hair looked like before and what it looks like now, I think this is a win. I think it is a win. Now after I cut it, well, trim it and then razor it a little bit, I'm going to attempt to put some curls in because that's how the hair was originally. I'm going to actually show you guys a picture or video, whichever one I can find, of what the hair looked like when I first got it and when I had put some curls in. So I really want y'all to see, you know, the quality of the hair. So all right, you all, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.